Hi, I am Yogesh Kumar and I would like to welcome you to Trubodh Learning. Today I will talk about Python and I'm sure before we start learning programming in Python, you want to know why Python is popular and why you should learn Python. So today we will discuss about introduction of Python and I'm sure that this video will bring you lot of knowledge about Python as a subject. Let's start now. Being new to Python, you must understand what is Python, why Python, uses of Python, features of Python, famous Python projects, certification about our Python course. Okay, let's start with a little introduction or say overview to Python. First, we will talk about overview of Python. So, Python is a general purpose, interactive, object oriented and high level programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum during 1985 to 1990 at the National Research Institute of Mathematics and Computer Science in the Netherlands. Python is a high-level structured open source programming language that can be used for a wide variety of programming tasks. NASA has used Python for its software system and has adopted it as a standard scripting language for its integrated planning system. Platform independent. Python is platform independent because you can run it on different platforms. You can run it on Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac, Apple iOS, etc. The same thing which you do on Windows, the exact same thing you can do on all the other platforms. Okay, so why we should learn Python? Python is an extremely popular language nowadays. Thus, to survive in this corporate world, it is important to keep oneself updated with the new languages which widely aid in high-level programming. It is very easy to expert programmers to pick up Python. Also, fresh programmer can easily learn Python. Python is a great language because of its simple grammar. Easy to understand. So if you are new to programming and if you want to build your skills, Python is great language to you because Python is beginner's language and it is really easy to understand. Highly available and simple to use, Python was designed to be highly available, which uses English keyword frequently. If you want to build a program in Python which is simple to use and easy to understand, and till date Python is the most easiest and simplest programming language to learn. Okay, let's discuss about uses of Python. So kind of applications we can build using Python. Python can be used for multiple things. Python can be easily used for small, large, online and offline projects. The best option for utilizing Python are web development, simple scripting and data analysis. So there are few examples of what Python will let you do. So first one is web development. You can use Python to create web applications on many levels of complexity. There are many excellent Python web frameworks including Pyramid, Django and Flask, and Python is also used to build business applications like ERP and e-commerce system. Second one is game development. Create a video game using module Pygame. Basically, you use Python to write the logic of the game. Pygame applications can run on Android devices. Data analysis. Python is leading language of choice for many data scientists. Python has grown in popularity within this field due to its excellence. Writing scripts. If you are doing something manually and want to automate repetitive stuff such as emails, it's not difficult to automate once you know the basic of this language. Other one is browser automation. Perform some neat things such as opening a browser and posting a Facebook status. You can do it with Selenium with Python. Selenium is a WebDriver API was developed to better support dynamic web pages. Last one is GUI development. We can build GUI applications like desktop apps to using Python module tkinter PyQt to support it. So if we talk about features of Python, Python is easy to learn. That means Python relatively has few keywords as compared to other programming languages. It has simple structure and clearly defined syntax which allows the students to pick up the language in a very less time. Python code is really very clearly defined and visible to the eyes. That means just looking at some unknown code, maybe a code written by someone else, you can still understand it because it is always written in simple format. And it has a huge library. Portability is one of the feature of Python. Another feature of Python is its interface to all other major databases, and one of the most best feature of Python is GUI, which is graphical user interface programming. Okay, let's discuss about famous projects of Python. There are a lot of famous projects or say popular services initially started and are still based in Python. So I want to like to tell you about few examples for Python projects. Most of them are very much famous, incredible and powerful. This is where we feel that Python is one of the best languages for web development and more sites rely on it. Okay, now I will name those websites, and the first one is YouTube, which has ranked second across the globe. As you all know about YouTube, YouTube is one of the most powerful site on internet, and it runs on the one of the most powerful language, which is Python. And other one is BitTorrent. So BitTorrent also initially based on Python. Now let's discuss about one of the major Python project. While I wanted to tell you about this in the beginning, this is the most significant and powerful search engine over the web. It takes lot of power to, I will say, to be strong among search engine in the entire world, and Python has proven its quality. That website is none other than Google. That's why this website uses Python for its mainframe foundation. And the next website is Spotify. You know, if you listen to the music, you would have well known what is a Spotify. Spotify also runs on Python. Next is Yahoo. Yahoo also uses Python for a variety of different resources. Reddit. Reddit is one of the biggest open community on the web. You have a question or want to talk about something in specific, so you can go to Reddit, and Reddit is also built in Python. Next is Quora. Quora is also built in Python, and one of the more thing I want to tell you, there are plenty like thousands of websites are built in Python because it's most powerful. And the last one is Instagram. As you all know about Instagram, so Instagram is also based on Python. So these are some of them. These are hundreds of websites built in Python. About certification, I will tell you very clearly, there is no such an official certification for Python, but you will get certificate from our side after completion this course. So here is a list of all the topics which we are going to cover in this entire course. First we will see all the variables and data types in Python. After that we will see operators and conditional statements, loops, control statements, string manipulations, list and tuples, dictionaries, date and time, functions, modules, input output, exception handling. And we will discuss all the above topics in module and chapter format with detailed concept and practical lab exercise in our coming videos. You will also be able to download source code of few examples during your learning of Python. Thank you.